luxury condos in Singapore. Most of them will cost you a fortune. But what if I tell you you can own a rare gem located at the star destination of the North? It's a luxurious 4-bedroom at most attractive price in Singapore. Definitely, you won't have to rob a bank to own it.
Where the price is good and you think it's a heist, and guess what? You're the one who walk away with the goods.
You have seen the contrast, sky-high price, yet not getting enough space. But at Norwood, you will find luxury, comfort, and conveniences all unfolding before you in the most affordable 4-bedroom new launch home you can find in Singapore. One more, you can literally walk to JB within 15 minutes for a change.
Imagine this resort-style living, amenities like a stunning lifestyle pool, a gym that feels like a 5-star resort, and a spacious home enough for your whole family to live in.
No stress for a getaway even without owning a car. Just remaining 4 bedrooms are available for selection. And yes, they are priced so affordable. It's really a dream come true. But hurry, time's running out. Contact your OrangeTee agents today before all units are gone.